everyone. This is my how to make a how am I feeling today chart video. This shouldn't last too long. Some of you may just already totally know how to do this, but for those of you that might be struggling, asking how did I actually make this chart, I'm just going to show you a quick video of how I did my how are you feeling today chart. So you've probably seen this on social media. I've definitely seen a lot of these on things like Twitter and stuff where you post 9 pictures of a single person or a single character or a single cartoon character, and you pick one of their pictures to explain how you are feeling today. So I wanted to do that with you, and then I want this to be something that you keep in your Google Drive so that every once in a while I can check in on you, ask how you're doing, and you can use your how am I feeling chart to sort of answer that question. So I did an example, and it's going to show up on your assignment, and it's the Jessica Day from New Girl scale. So on this Jessica Day from New Girl scale, how am I feeling today, created by moi. So first things first is you have to pick a character, one that you like, and two that has a lot of emotion. So for you anime fans, I don't think picking a character like Sasuke would be a great choice for a 1 through 9 how are you feeling chart because his facial expressions rarely change, right? Jessica Day from New Girl is a great person to choose because she expresses her emotions very visibly on her face. So when you're choosing a character, you want to have someone where you can find them having several different emotions. I've seen a lot of Avatar character 1 through 9 charts. That's been pretty cool. So like there's a ton of things I've seen people do. Just pick a character that you like and one that shows different emotions because you don't want to have the characters with the same emotions. That's not an effective how are you feeling chart. So how I did this was I did a Google search for different emotions from her. So her character name is Jessica Day, and I also typed in New Girl, so it wouldn't give me some random person named Jessica on Google. So I typed in Jessica Day New Girl, and then I typed in happy, and I searched that. And you're going to get several options. I'm going to click on images. And so there's a ton of her being happy. A lot of them are her as the actress. I chose most of mine based on her character in New Girl. So I could choose any of these, right? And let's say I chose this one. She's kind of smiling. She's like generally having a good day, right? Not ecstatic, but not sad. And then if I wanted to choose this for my chart, I would right click and I would hit copy image, and then I would come back to my chart. Let's say this is the one that I'm using, and I would click here and hit paste. I'm so sorry, my computer is running really slow. So, okay, there we go. So I right click, hit paste. You folks might have to do Control V for paste. So if this isn't working, try Control V. Hit paste. So she's going to pop up, and then all I need to do is resize her and put her in one of the boxes. Try to make sure that you're still showing the number there. Okay, so boom, that's all I did. And then the next time I'm going to choose Jessica Day, New Girl, sad, right? And so I find one of her being sad. So I might choose this one, hit copy image, paste, and then I'm going to resize. With this one, since it's a weird sizing, you're probably going to want to crop. So you can always hit the crop button, which is right up here at the top. I would hit crop, use the black sidelines to crop her face. Like that. I'm going to hit enter when I'm done. And that is way better for our table here. number 2. Okay, this doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to color in the background like I did. Although if you do want to do something like that, all you have to do is hit background and you can choose a color from here. So you can do that if you want, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want you to pick 9 of the same character using different facial expressions that you could potentially identify with on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so that's why, you know, I chose the ones I did. I wouldn't choose emotions that I rarely ever feel because I would probably never use those. Okay, so I hope you get creative. I hope you have fun with this, and just make sure when you're done that you go up here to the text boxes, and where it says type character name here, go ahead and erase my typing. So I would hit on this Jessica Day from, and then here I would type new girl since that's the title of the show. Scale, how am I feeling today? And then for type your name here, I would type Mrs. Damon. Okay, and then I'm done. And then the very, very last thing I want you to do once you're done with your 9 images and you put your writing on the top is I'm going to want you to save a copy of this on your Google Drive. You can do this in a ton of ways. If you want to take a screenshot of this and save it, that's fine. If you want to make a copy, that's fine. If you want to download, that's fine. I don't care which way you do it. Just please keep this for yourself because I will be asking you to use this later on for some bell work or an exit slip, just to get to know how you're feeling today. All right, so that's all, folks. If you have more questions, just let me know. But otherwise, hopefully, I think it's pretty much straightforward from here. I'm so excited to see your How Am I Feeling Today charts, and I will see you later when I have another video to post. Thanks, guys. Bye.